Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, I am Muhammad Urs, teacher of General Science for class 6. I welcome you all in video class. Students, today we will discuss another important topic, which is Introduction to Work, chapter number 11, and according to syllabus it is your unit number 3. So students, we will talk on introduction to work and definition of work. Introduction to work. As we know that to move or displace any object, we need a force. The force we use to move an object is called work. In terms of science, no work is done if an object on which force is applied does not move. No matter how hard we push a heavy stone, we cannot move it. We have therefore done no work on the heavy stone. Next topic, definition of work. In physics, a branch of natural science, we define work by the equation W is equal to Fs. Where F is the acting force that acts on a given body, and S is the distance moved by the body in or against the direction of the force. We can also say that the work is done only when the body on which the force acts moves in the direction of the force. Thus, we can calculate work by the following formula. W is equal to F into S. If S is the distance moved in the direction of the force, the work is done by the force. However, if S is the distance moved against the direction of the force, the work is done against the force. For example, if a body is dropped from the roof of your house, body is dropped from the roof of your house, the work is done by the force of gravity. However, if body is moved up from the floor to the roof, the work is done against the force of gravity. When you push the wall of your classroom or a very heavy stone which does not move, no work is done, since the distance moved is 0. When you lift up your books from the table, you do perform work. Thereafter, if you continue holding the books in your hand, you are not doing any work. Now, unit of work. The SI or System International Unit of Work is Joule. In symbolic way, you can write J. Its multiple kilo per joule, its symbol is Kj, is also used. If a force of 1 Newton moves a body through a distance of 1 meter, the work done is 1 joule or 1 Newton per meter Nm. Its equation is 1J is equal to 1 Newton multiplied by 1 m or meter. Force of gravity, and wait, it's your next topic. The force of attraction which is exerted by the earth on or near its surface is called gravity. You can write in symbolic way G also. The force with which the earth attracts a mass of 1 kilogram is termed or called as 1 kilogram weight. This is taken as a unit of force. Physicists more often use another unit of force called Newton. In abbreviated, you can write N. The relation between the two units is 1 kg weight is equal to 9.8 N nearly.